When studying scripture, it is critical that you understand it's more important to think about the function of a thing over its form. So function takes priority over form. In other words, it's more important to think about what something does, its function, over what it looks like, its appearance. So the scripture says in Psalms 91, verse 4, here's an example. It says regarding God that he shall cover you with his feathers, and under his wings you shall take refuge. So if you interpret this scripture with the idea of form in mind, you're thinking about what feathers looks like or look like. You're wondering if God has feathers. It says that God is going to cover you with his wings, and under his feathers you're going to take refuge. But if you interpret this scripture with the idea of function in mind, if you're thinking function, what is the function of feathers? Specifically, what's the function of feathers as it relates to its offspring, its young? And that is to protect, to brood over, and to incubate. Okay, so when the scripture says that God is going to cover you with his wings, and under his feathers you're going to take refuge. It's saying that he's going to incubate you. So what does it mean to incubate? The word incubate means to create optimal conditions for the growth, development, and prosperity of a thing. So again, when the scripture says that God is going to cover you with his wings and under his feathers you're going to take refuge, the idea there, the context is that God is going to incubate you, which means that God is going to create conditions that are optimal for your growth, development, and prosperity.